Congratulations on the purchase of your new e-traveller from mobilizeme.com.au. We're going to be showing you the quickest way to get your e-traveller set up and a few user tips. First, cut the plastic ties and open the top of the box. Then tip the box onto its side and slide or pull the e-traveller out. Stand the chair in an upright position and remove all plastics. Unfold the e-traveller by pulling the top handle and the footrest apart until you hear it click into place. Under the seat of the chair will be the charger, the joystick controller, and a bag containing tools and a seatbelt. The joystick controller can be installed on either side of the chair, but here we're installing it on the right hand side. Insert the controller into the slot under the armrest and then tighten the screw underneath. Connect the cables by lining up the two white arrows and then fastening the connector. Next, we'll install the seat cushion and the backrest. So ensure that this flap on the backrest is on top of the seat, not underneath it. Then to install the backrest cushion, we want to make sure we install it underneath the top handle, not over the top. Line up the Velcro from the seat and the seat cushion and place on top. To charge your e-traveller, plug in your charging cable to the joystick controller. The speed indicator lights will blink to let you know it's charging. On the joystick controller, we have the on button, the speed indicator, the speed setting, horn, joystick, and the off button. Moving to the back of the e-traveller, we have the freewheel function. Freewheel disengages the motor so you can push the chair by hand. This can help if you run out of battery or when loading in and out of a car. To fold your e-traveller, use the footrest as a handle while lifting the release bar or clip at the back of the chair and then pull together. Once collapsed, stand the chair upright. Enjoy your new e-traveller, and if you need more information, visit us at mobilizeme.com.au.